Hey everyone, and welcome. Have you ever looked at your phone or your car or even just your coffee maker and thought, how did this go from just a little spark of an idea to this real physical thing I'm holding in my hands? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on the digital magic that makes all of that possible.
It's a fantastic question, right? I mean, the journey from a simple concept to a polished, finished product seems, well, incredibly complex. But behind it all, there's a really powerful process, and an even more powerful set of tools that have just completely changed the game for how we create things.
So to really get our heads around the how, we first have to understand the why. And it all starts with this immense pressure that's on creators today. We're calling it the innovation imperative.
Let's be real, today's marketplace is a race. It's just not enough anymore to have a brilliant idea. Success now completely depends on getting that idea designed, tested, and out to the market faster than anyone else. So, speed and innovation, they're not just nice-to-haves, they are absolutely essential for survival.
And this, right here, shows you just how huge that shift has been. I mean, on one hand, you've got the old way. Slow, incredibly expensive, and super risky. Just imagine painstakingly building a full-scale physical model, only to find some kind of critical flaw. Ugh! But on the other side, the new CAD-powered way is like a whole different universe. It's fast, it's iterative, and it opens the door to boundless innovation, all with digital models.
So, how do we make that incredible leap from slow and costly to fast and efficient? Well, the answer lies in this amazing technology that's become the modern creator's secret weapon. We are, of course, talking about CAD, the digital toolkit. So, what exactly is CAD? Well, at its core, you can think of it as the digital backbone of pretty much all modern product development. It's this specialized software that gives engineers and designers the power to build, analyze, and totally perfect their ideas, all on a computer before a single physical part is ever made. You know, the idea of a digital sandbox is just perfect. It gives creators the ultimate freedom to play. Want to test out some wild aerodynamic curve? Or maybe see how a new experimental material holds up under pressure? In this sandbox, you can do all of that with just a few clicks. Zero risk, zero cost. It's where creativity can just run wild. Okay, so we've got these incredible, detailed digital designs, but a product isn't really real until you can hold it, right? So how do we bridge that gap? Well, that brings us right to our next section, going from pixels to physical prototypes. The answer is something called rapid prototyping. And the name really says it all. It's a bunch of technologies that can take a digital CAD model and turn it into a physical object with astonishing speed. This has been an absolute game changer for industries from automotive and aerospace to the phone in your pocket. And the workflow itself? It's incredibly streamlined. You start with your perfected 3D digital model right there in the CAD software. Then, that file integrates seamlessly with technologies like 3D printing, or what's called computer-aided manufacturing, or CAM. And just like that, boom, out comes a fast physical prototype that you can hold, you can test, and you can show to your team.
So what does all this add up to? Well, the benefits are they're transformative. I mean, early detection of flaws isn't just a bullet point. That's the difference between a cheap digital fix and a multi-million-dollar recall down the line. Accurate simulation means a car company can perfect a vehicle's aerodynamics without ever stepping foot in a wind tunnel. It all leads to faster cycles, lower costs, and frankly, just better, safer products for all of us.
Okay, so now let's kind of zoom out and look at the real-world impact. This isn't just some abstract process we're talking about. This is how we are quite literally designing tomorrow's products today. Just think about your day so far. The tiny, intricate circuits inside your smartphone, the ergonomic handle on your coffee maker, the precise engineering of the car you drove. Every single one of them started its life as a CAD model. It's the invisible architecture behind almost every single manufactured object in our modern world. It's everywhere.
Ultimately, you can boil it all down to this simple but really powerful idea. CAD plays a vital role in turning creative ideas into market-ready products. It's so much more than just software. It's the essential bridge between human imagination and physical reality.
And here's the thing, this is just the beginning. As this technology keeps evolving, integrating things like AI and automation, the possibilities are only going to expand. So that leaves us with a final thought to chew on. In your field, or even just in your daily life, how do you think CAD is going to shape the future of what we create? Thanks for watching.